Okay, we have gustar and similar verbs, which is definitely one of the harder concepts to grasp. Learning Spanish, it's definitely difficult, so we try to make these slides as simple as possible. So we have some similar verbs. We're just going to go over some common verbs that are used. I'm not going to go over all of them. I'm going to go through a handful. So we have gustar, of course, which means to like. Encantar means to delight. Interestar means to interest. Molestar means to bother, to disturb, or to annoy. Querer means to hit it off well. Afectar means to affect, be affected by. And dar means to give. The meaning of gustar. The word is sometimes translated as to like, but it clearly means pleasant to. The subject of the phrase is the thing being liked when employing the verb gustar in verbs like it. And then the entity doing the liking is represented using the indirect object. So we have some examples over here. So for instance, a mí me gusta bailar means I like to dance, and a ti te gustan las galatas. Galatas means you like cookies. So you see the difference in when you're talking about yourself and when you're talking about another person, but the different like first, second, third person point of view, the way you're phrasing it would be how you would change up the gustan and the verb and the gustar. So we have some examples of gustar. Me gusta el café, so I like coffee. Me gusta la limonada, I like lemonade. Te gusta ir de compras, you like to go shopping. Que te gusta hacer mucho, what do you like to do a lot? Okay, so we're going to go over the IOPs, which you might have seen in the slide before, which might have threw you off a little bit. So we're going to talk about that right now. So the third person singular or plural is the most prevalent conjugation for gustar and other verbs in the same category. Typically, these verbs require the indirect object pronoun, IOP, at the start. So we have me equals me, tú equals te, él, ella, él, usted equals le, nosotros, nosotras, nos, ellos, ellas, ellas, ustedes, les. And then we have a little chart over here, which shows the exact same thing. And it's the IOPs are usually the easiest part of the gustar and subject verbs, but it's harder trying to figure it out in general. And we really hope that this video helped you. Thank you.